Let's unbox the Galaxy Z Flip6. I picked this up in the black color, so I'm really excited to see how this looks. So let's go ahead and tear this up. Let's go ahead and open it up. Gotta make sure I hide that serial number. Let's go ahead and pick this up. And there we have it, guys, the Z Flip6. This black color looks absolutely stunning. It has like a faux carbon fiber look to it. I don't know if you can hear it here. Definitely has a really cool feeling to it. Hopefully I didn't scratch it. Let's go ahead and peel off the front screen of the Flip. The black definitely looks fire. And for the main event here. Alright, and there you have it, guys. Go ahead and flip it down. There we have the Flip6. Definitely looks really nice. This black color is awesome. Taking a look around here, I love the sort of rectangular shape that it looks. It looks really nice and premium. And it looks like when it's closed, it is completely flat, as you can see right there. I mean, this looks awesome, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. But I think it looks really nice. It did a great job with the design of the Flip6. I feel like the subtle improvements is great. So let's go ahead and power this on and set it up. You do have to press this for a very, very long time. I don't know why it took like 5 minutes for this to finally show up. Okay, we can see both screens are actually working simultaneously, which is pretty awesome. All right, so we're greeted to the front screen here. Now you'll notice that on the inside of the screen, we have kind of like a plasticky look to it. It's still gonna have that crease there, which could be an eyesore. It's not as crisp as, let's say, this display over here. But either way, let's go ahead and set this up here. And if you want to transfer your stuff from your older device, whether that be a Galaxy, Android, iPhone, or iPad, they make it very easy to switch over. We're going to hit manually. And then you got to connect to your Wi-Fi, of course. Next, you have the option of signing into your Google account. All right, and after that, you can protect your phone via face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password, or a pattern. I'm going to go ahead and skip that as well. Next, we have our Samsung account. So if you ever wanted to locate this or back up, then you would sign in. And then we have different customizations we could do with the Samsung services. I'm just going to agree to all of them. And next, we have our display mode. We have options between light and dark. I'm going to go with light. And then we get a caution message here letting you know exactly how to take care of your Flip6. Being that this has a folding mechanism, they want to remind you of the do's and don'ts. Let's go ahead and hit next. And that's pretty much it. We're all set up here. I'm going to hit finish here. All right, and there we have it, guys. A beautiful 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. We have a nice adaptive refresh rate up to 120 hertz. My biggest complaint is definitely gonna be that crease there. That's the only thing that I always dislike about the fold or the Flip is definitely that crease line. But if you can get past that, it's definitely a really nice display. I definitely love the fact that this has a nice display over here. You can kind of swipe and have all of your notifications here, and you can just clear it from there. That looks really nice. And then if I swipe it, I've got some nice little widgets over here, and we have some more stuff. So it's definitely nice and customizable. Definitely a huge step up from the other Flip devices. And as for my first impression of the Flip6, this color is absolutely fire. It looks beautiful. I definitely love the new design choices they made with the Flip6. It looks really nice. It looks really seamless. It's not too bulky. And once you flip it up, I can still do things one-handed. So that's really, really convenient. I have smaller hands myself, so this is still very comfortable to hold in the hand. And overall, if you're someone that likes this form factor, then this Flip6 is definitely an improvement over the other ones. I do wish that they eventually start fixing that little crease appearance, but you know, it does fold obviously, so that's why the crease is there. But other than that, I just love how seamless that almost looks so beautifully perfect. We have like a straight line right there. You can see the nice little hinge right there. It's definitely a nice refined upgrade here. I do wish this color was available again, like I said earlier, but overall, I think the Flip6 is a nice improvement. Let me know in the comment section below if you're digging the Flip6. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Firewolf out.